What did I do? Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. I'm here to unbox Bath Bevy. This is also a new subscription box for me. It's supposed to be stuff for the bath, like bath bombs and shower gels, I think, maybe bath salts, things of that nature. So I already, slit the little thing here so we weren't wasting too much time. And okay, hold on. It's stuck. There we go. Okay. Ow, I just cut myself with the box. Ouch. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. Just a little sticker there that says Bath Bevy and has a bunch of flamingos hanging out on the wrapping paper. And then you open it up on the inside. Oh, and it has, this is what tells you what's on the back. It tells you what all the products are. And then it comes with a bunch of this stuff. So let me something smells good in here. Something smells like strawberry. But, okay, so let's see what we've got going on here. Okay, so Escape to Paradise Body Lotion by Bath Bevy. And this is what it looks like. Great. Oh, okay, figured it out. So this is Escape to Paradise Body Lotion. So let's see. That was really noisy. Ooh, that smells really good. It's very tropical, and you can see it's thick. So it might be more like no, it's lotion. It's not like the consistency of a body butter. It is. Oh, you know what? I had peppermint lotion on my hands before, so that won't be an accurate description of that, but it does. It kind of smells very tropical. Next, we have Flip Flop Bath and Fizz by Zen Bath Candies. And that would be, this right here. It says Soul 6 Soaps, Mango Papaya, Whipped Soap Fluff. You see that? Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can. It's got glitter on the top. And the consistency, oh, it's harder than I expected it to be. I expected it to be like super fluffy, and it's not. It's really hard. So that will take a minute to, I think, dig into it to get it. I guess that smells like mango, I guess. Mango papaya. I don't know. I think it smells more like soap than the typical body washes that I wash with, I guess. I think a lot of the soaps that I typically wash with smell more like the thing that it says that it's going to smell like, opposed to, and I use a lot of organic stuff, and I usually buy my soaps at fairs all year long. I'm not sure. I don't know. I might use it. Well, okay, I will use it just to try it. I don't know if I will like it. And I'll have to read to make sure it's organic, to make sure that the things aren't going to irritate my skin, because I do have sensitive skin. So the next thing we have is Tahiti Sweet Sorbet Bath Truffle by Willow Bella Soaps. And that is, oh, it's this. All right, let's see. Let's dig into this. Okay, so it's It's just like a little bath bomb. This is what it looks like. I don't like the smell of that either. I don't know, maybe I'll like it better after I get it into the tub. I don't know, we'll see. And like I said, this is a new subscription, so I might try it for 2 months. And then if I don't like it, then I will just unsubscribe. And it looks like we have 3 bath bombs here. Oh, but one of them looks like an extra. So, Tropical Oasis Bath Bomb by Bevy. That is this one. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, this stuff is really heavily scented. I don't know. I might have to wash that lotion off of my hands. Just like me to do it. Okay, so anyway, this is what this looks like. I do like the smell of this one. It's the coconut oil that I'm smelling in here. I do like this. I will use this. And you get 5 ounces of that. And then a starfish pumice stone. My husband can get into that. He likes using these things. I have pretty soft skin, generally speaking. So I just give that to my husband. And then this is the extra. Oh wait, hold on. Nope, I skipped this. It's not extra, I skipped it, sorry. Okay, so this is Flip Flop Bath Fizz. Wait, I thought I already... What did I do? I don't know what I did, but let's see. This is, I think I already, I don't know. I'm not sure. Ooh, well. So they look like little flip-flops. And that smells good too. It has a really nice, not very strong scent to it, and that's kind of what I like. And it just says it has fragrance in it, so I'm not sure what it is. Okay, so I will try this stuff out and I will let you know if I actually like it. I'm going to wash this off of my hands and maybe reapply it without my peppermint lotion on. So just to recap a little bit, we've got Flip Flop Bath Fizz by Zen Bath Candies. We got Soul 6 Soaps, Mango Papaya. We got Sorbet Bath Truffle by Willow Bella. We got this Escape to Paradise body lotion. Tropical Oasis Bath Bomb by Bevy, is that correct? Yes, Bevy. And then a pumice stone, starfish pumice stone for my husband. And that is everything in this box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Just keep in mind my channel, this part of my channel is really green, so I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do this, if I even like doing this, and if I do, I'll get a different setup. But for being as green as this part of my channel is, it'll be this way for a while. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye.